Xander, throw it down. Good job. Zane, can I see what you have? What is it?
It's an icicle.
An icicle.
Watch this.
We'll see
Oh,
later.
okay.
Careful, don't hit the baby. Zane, don't throw it at your brothers.
Okay. Woo.
Good job. Good job, Xander.
I just want to.
Ready? Xander, ready? Throw it. Go. Good job. Hey, Zane, not so close to your brother. Uh-oh. Went under in his car. That's okay. I'll go see if I can find it, okay?